Are you tired of your Wikipedia file uploads being rejected? Learn the exact steps to use the file upload wizard and avoid copyright mistakes. First, I'll show you how to access the upload wizard from the left menu, then guide you through selecting your file and reviewing crucial guidelines. First, go ahead and click Upload File from the left menu on the Wikipedia page. Then, select the option that says Upload Your Own or a freely licensed file. Now, take a moment to review the What Can I Upload to Wikimedia Commons guidelines. This is important so you can understand which files are allowed and the copyright requirements. Once you've reviewed the guidelines, click on Next to proceed. Finally, click Select Media Files to share. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.